Welcome to the Accelerated Trainer Masterclass with Lex McKee. Let's explain this graphic. You see bright white coming into a tri-bar and a frame as we harness our enthusiasm, our senses and our psychological preferences. We then store the key essentials, boost confidence and repeat the key message going over the memory traces 5 times so that we can create a new future. Got a little question here from the program, just to give you an idea of the roots of the program. The Accelerated Trainer draws upon a rich heritage of other learning disciplines. So you're asked to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 5 on how familiar you are with accelerated learning generally, like the works of Colin Rose and Alistair Smith, Busan-style mind mapping, Busan-style memory techniques, all applications of accelerated learning, emotional intelligence, for example the work of Daniel Goleman and others, Ericksonian hypnotherapy, Carl Jung's psychological types, multiple intelligence, the work of Howard Gardner and others, neurolinguistic programming, and speed reading. All these build the program. Here's a preview of the message cycle, the 7 phases that when we go through help us to learn faster at a deeper level and to keep those results for longer. Always beginning with mindset. Just like our baggage check-in and going to gate, getting rid of all the clutter and focusing on our destination. Entrance of new ideas always comes in through the senses of visual, hearing and feeling, and sometimes smell and taste. So we call that VHF for visual, hearing and feeling, and having that with a very high frequency of success. Then we need to share and then switch ownership, which is where we use our own unique intelligences to process the information and proactively process that. Got TFM there for the full Monty, and you can discover what that's about on the program. Then we must store the material, and storing new learning needs to be as simple as ABC 1, 2, 3 if it's to have that Velcro stickability. We must then act upon our learning to boost our confidence. So you've got PVC there to remind you of playfully verify confidence. Then we must go again over the memory traces with the 3 R's. And the 3 R's are review, reflect, and rehearse. Finally, to complete the cycle, we must engage the future. We must anchor our action in a specific scenario so that it's real to us. We've got Vic here as our memory letters for vision, imagination, and commitment. So there you are, the message cycle. Looking a little bit more deeply, you'll be supplied with a series of mind maps to help you review and apply and personalise the learning. So here's the very busy but complete and concise mind map covering the whole program. The Learn Fast system for getting your message across. As we said earlier, mindset, and all this is going to spell the word message as we work round the map. M for mindset, E for entrance, where we make sense of the learning. S, the first S, for sharing and then switching ownership, where we make the learning our own. The second S for store, where we make the learning sticky. A of message for act, making our learning show. G of message for go again, making it flow. And then E for engage, where we make that commitment. Again, the 3 memory letters: eco, environment, connect, objective, VHF, very high frequency, TFM, the full Monty, ABC 1, 2, 3, sounds like a song, PVC, playfully verify, competence, the 3 R's, review, reflect, rehearse, and VIC, vision, imagination, commitment. So there you are, a very quick preview of the message model that is the Accelerated Trainer Masterclass, and all based on my book published by Gower, The Accelerated Trainer.